When you've been asked to draft an appellate brief, motion for summary judgment, complaint, or any other document, there's no better place to start than Lexis Plus. That's because Lexis Plus houses the largest online collection of litigation-related documents. And for you, it means you don't have to reinvent the wheel when you have a template to begin with. So let's say you've been asked to draft a brief on the issue of computer privacy when using a webcam. We're going to run our search using the terms you see here in the search box. So just to refresh your memory on what we're looking for, this is going to search for the term laptop or computer, or both, if they happen to both appear, within 5 words of camera or webcam and privacy. So laptop or computer within 5 words of camera or webcam and privacy. So we're going to run our search across all Lexis Plus content for any reference to the search terms. For this particular issue, we want to see what court documents have discussed these terms. So we'll click on the Briefs, Pleadings, and Motions category from the drop-down at the top left of the screen. Once we've narrowed to our category, we can use the filters on the left-hand side to be more specific. If we're drafting a brief, we'll use the category filter to narrow to briefs. If you were drafting a complaint or a motion or a different court document, you'd select one of the other categories. We're also going to use our court filter to narrow to our jurisdiction. And maybe in this case, we just want to see U.S. Supreme Court briefs. So our results list contains helpful briefs that have discussed our key terms and have been filed in the United States Supreme Court. Let's take a look at the brief amicus curiae of the DKT Liberty Project in support of the petitioner. This was filed in the Riley v. California case. So here we can see how the brief has been structured. We can see what arguments have been made in this case. And on the right-hand side of the document, in the About This Document box, we'll see that we can access the original source image or the original PDF of this particular document. So we can see what it looked like when it was actually filed in court. You can also access the opinion for this case, as well as any other briefs that were filed before the Supreme Court. Starting with briefs, pleadings, or motions on Lexis Plus saves you so much time and gives you a starting point for your own drafting. If you want to learn more or need research assistance, reach out to our Lexis team at any time. We would be happy to help, and we will see you soon.